Today's word is access. It's a powerful word we use every day to talk about getting into places or information. Access means the ability or right to enter a place or use something, like information or services. Many learners confuse access with exit. Remember, access means to go in or use, not to leave. Common patterns are have access to, gain access, and deny access. Use these when talking about permission or ability. She has access to the company database. We need a password to access the Wi-Fi. Only staff can access the building after hours. A young student wanted to access a library book online. After logging in, she quickly found all the resources she needed. Think of a key opening a door. The key gives you access. Remember, access equals ability to enter or use. Now you know access means to enter or use something. Try to use it today and comment below.